So here with the auto print, first it gets the file what you need, put into the RIP1 file, and then here the new stamp pad will go automatically ripping. Here it will cost around 10 seconds to calculate the file. Here we go. Start ripping one by one. So after ripping, meanwhile, it goes to the printing software here. And at the same time, here, start printing. So this is the software upgraded to support the POD. So auto print, it will go for printing one by one. And here the ripping actually for the file is already done. If you wanted to add more files, you still need to add the artwork into the folder of RIP1. For example, here we add these three to the RIP1, and you can see the new stamp pad will rip continuously for the further three files. Now it starts ripping, right? And later, this ripped file will go for the print EXP. So here, the printer continuously printing.